Do you have a health savings account, also called an HSA, and you're approaching 65 or your upcoming Medicare decision? Well, there's some unique rules that most people are not aware that even exist that can impact your maximizing of your tax benefits as well as when you join Medicare. So in this video, let's get really clear on how HSA rules work with Medicare to again save yourself money and to do the right thing when it comes to both of these programs. You've worked hard for Medicare. Let's now get the most out of it. I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, the leading independent fee-based Medicare consultant, helping our clients all across the country easily navigate Medicare rules and insurance company confusion to help you do what's right and best for you. We sell no insurance products whatsoever, and for that reason, in my videos, you will be hearing very different things, okay? So let's talk about health savings accounts and Medicare, right? So what is a health savings account? A health savings account is usually offered through your employer when you have a high deductible plan. And there's a certain amount of money that you can put into this HSA every single year, and you can use it for qualifying medical expenses, okay? Now, what makes an HSA unique is that you can roll it over from year to year. So it's more or less like a 401k plan, but for your health insurance or for your health expenses, for your approved health expenses, okay? So there's a lot of tax benefit with an HSA, which is why a lot of people really like it. Now, HSAs can be used once you're on Medicare. They can pay for most of your Medicare premiums. They can pay for your copays. They might cover your dental or your vision expenses that are not covered by Medicare. Again, HSAs can be valuable once you're on Medicare. You can use them on Medicare. So you're not going to lose them once you stop putting money into it, okay? But what the important thing to be aware of is that the government rules say you can put money into a health savings account up to the ladder of 65 or 6 months before you join Medicare. So if you're joining Medicare at 65, then you can put money into your health savings account up to 65. Okay. But if you're, say, working until 70 and your employer health insurance meets Medicare rules, and again, you join Medicare at 70, you can put money into your health savings account up to 69 and a half. Okay. So again, there's this unique rule as to when you can put money into the HSA without jeopardizing those tax benefits. Now, your CPA can always undo contributions or adjust the taxes on their end if you do miss those windows. But ideally, we recommend that our clients stop contributing at the corresponding time. Okay? So how does this impact your Medicare decision? It mainly impacts those of you who are working past 65. And you have employer health insurance past 65, which meets Medicare rules. So if this sounds odd to you, or you're not quite sure how to delay Medicare, I have other videos in here. Go watch those. But if you're delaying Medicare past 65, and because you have employer health insurance that meets Medicare rules, this HSA rule can be important to you. Okay? So if you are working past 65 and we confirm that your employer plan, again, meets Medicare rules and is cheaper than Medicare, and you're putting money into an HSA, we will likely have you delay your Medicare enrollment and continue to put money into your HSA, okay? If you put money into your HSA, you cannot have Medicare Part A. Okay, so while some people who do delay enrolling in Medicare because they have employer health insurance, they might get Part A if they do not have an HSA. But if you have an HSA, you cannot have Part A at the same time. Okay, or if you're actively putting money into an HSA, you cannot have Part A at the same time. And in most cases, that HSA tax benefit is usually more valuable than, say, the Medicare Part A benefits. Okay, so again, HSA I think is a really great tool. We have to know how it works with Medicare, how it impacts how we put money into our HSA, and also how it impacts when we eventually enroll in some or all parts of Medicare. Okay, so again, I love an HSA, and most of my clients who are working past 65 with an HSA are better off being on the HSA and delaying both Medicare Part A and B. Okay, again, I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach. I'm here to help you easily navigate all of these messy Medicare rules that can cause confusion and waste a lot of money. So watch out for my other videos to get the inside tips to, again, help you easily navigate all of it to save yourself time as well as money.